Let's do an unboxing. Unboxing! Hindi. Malaki siya.
Pero mas madami yung doon sa parang kukunti naman yan. Ilan ba yan? Isa lang?
Oo.
Bad trip na.
Guys, si Mama nagkaka-trust issues na sa Timo.
Wala naman.
Ilang pieces ba to? Ba't parang kukunti?
Ma, may glitters na naman ako.
Tingnan mo, baka dalawa yan.
Isa na, wait lang. Si Mama guys, may trust issues na kasi last time, 12 pieces na maliliit. Tapos ngayon, isa lang. Nga ba naman, Day?
Oo, huwag mo alam baka maano.
Oh.
Okay naman. Masyado na parang madami.
Hindi, okay. Actually guys, ang gagawin talaga namin ni Mama is hindi matulog. $1:33 na. I'm a professional wire cutter guys. Anon ko kayo? Demohan. Demohan? I'm so professional with this. Hindi siya guys yung mag-flow everywhere. Flow, I mean fly. Flow, ano yun? Tubig. Dadalon. Alam niyo guys, itong phone na to is my mom's work phone. And then, hindi to yung original case nito na binigay sa kanya ng boss niya. Ito yon. Ito yon. Kaso, ang nangyari is, nasira yung dito sa part na to. Yung parang white part. Yeah, something. Tapos, sabi ko, mabili tayo ng phone case. Nag-check kami sa mall, ganun. Mahal. Hi guys, let's interview people. Hi, how's your mental state right now?
I'm mentally tired.
Oh my gosh, same. Hi, how's your day?
Stressful.
Okay, exactly. Anong ginagawa nyo? Mag-Tagalog. Straight Tagalog dapat Dapat straight Tagalog. Anong ginagawa mo?
I will do my tongue twister.
Tagalog na eh.
Gagawa ako ng sasabihin ko ang tongue twister. Tumalon si Tonton sa malalim na balon sa ilalim ng talon sa taniman ng talong.
Hey, what's your name? Ano sabi ko na?
Zaira. And then, my tongue twister is Pasko Paksiw, Pasko Paksiw, Pasko Paksiw.
Hi, who are you?
I'm Sam. Why?
Wala lang. I bought a new mic. I wanna try it out.
Cute.
Hey, what's your name?
Daniel.
Okay, bye. Hey, what are you doing?
Getting Wi-Fi.
Okay. Hi, what's your hobby?
I like playing musical instruments, and I like to sing.
Okay, very good.
Here you go.
What's that? Ah! Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna do some ASMR.
Oh my god, I know. She's like the type of. She's like the type of person. She's like no. The type of person is like
Guys, I'm gonna be doing some ASMR. I hope you like doing ASMR. So first thing we're gonna do is so guys, I'm doing some ASMR. Can you not? Can you not? Can you not? Sorry guys.
Nayaw ng
Ay, isnayaw ng mga mananayaw, ang sayaw na isnasayaw ng mga mananayaw. Isnayaw ng isa.
This is not yours. It's mine.
No, it's not. It's mine now.
Give me. Hey Laura, I'm gonna give something to you. Come here. It's a bit smaller, but it can fit on your finger, I guess.
It's suffocating me.
It's fine. It's fine.
Hello guys, so today we're gonna be going to we're gonna be going to question. What is your color?
What is your color? Purple.
Oh, the question for you. What is your color?
Purple.
Oh, they're the same. They're the same. What the heck? No, nothing. We have a question for you. We have a question for you. What is your color?
Ay, naku.
No. What is your color? What is your color?
Naiinis ako sa ano ba? Hindi ko matulala ang mga estudyante.
Why can't you decide?
Ano ang
I hope no one saw that. What is your color?
What color? Your color of
Ang relo ni Lero.
Ang relo ni Leroy.
Leroy yun.
Oh, sige.
Bilisan mo.
Wait lang. Ang relo ni Leroy. Leroy.
Ang laro ni Leroy Lore.
Ang relo ni Leroy Rolex. Ang relo ni Leroy
Lora.
Tanso sa tasa, tasa sa tanso. Tanso sa tasa, tasa sa santo.
Oh, santo.
Ano santo? What's a santo? Wait, I'm not doing. I wanna get one. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna get a tongue twister, and let's go, guys. Okay, guys, we're gonna get a tongue twister for Arabella. Where is my anak? Where is my anak? Asan yung anak ko?
ransom muna?
Asa?
3 gigs.
Lilibre nga kita. Hanapin nyo, please. Hanapin nyo. Pengi akong isa. Hindi. Yung tongue twister nyo. Ah!
Bawi next time.
Like, how many teachers do you have to tell? Like,
Only one? Bumibili ka lang, kasi dyan ang mas bibili.
Binibining cheese gonna bully you. What is your color?
Ay, microphone ba?
What is your color?
Yellow.
What is your color?
Blue. Guys, my birthday is tomorrow.
Happy birthday! Hungay dance. Hungay dance.
Hi guys. So we're all working for the lock and beauty dress.
Yeah, all of us. For the lock and beanie dress and for decorating our classroom and schoolwork. Literally dying. Mentally dying.
So this is us right now, everyone's literally working. Also got stuff here. Say hi, Ellie. Hi. This is Tina. She's my star buddy. She literally mentored me how to make a star. So yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Hi guys, so right now, nag-order ako ng McDo kasi gutom na. Di ako kumain sa bahay kasi, you know, in-order ko Sunday, gamit yung points ko, and then itong large fries for 6 dirhams. Guys, dating 5 dirhams yun, inangat na ng 6. I guess inflation. Pero yun, I'm just waiting for them. I might go down at 4:30 because maybe Kiara might be waiting for me there. So, yeah. And si Jade pala, susunduin daw pala kami kasama si dad niya, si Tito. So, yeah. Yun lang guys. I'll update you later. Bye-bye. Later, cheaters!
Shake it. She is shaking it really hard. I made 3 pieces now.
Uy, nalalagyan ng blue yung red, oh.
Huh?
Nalalagyan yung blue yung red.
Hindi, may kulay blue kasi yung paper. Ha?
Lagay mo dun sa red. Sa red?
Ano?
Ba't mas maganda yung lagay mo dun yun?
Adre na ba? Miss? Can you say? Ana.